CURT 12107 Class 2 trailer hitch on the 2013 Toyota Camry. For a better view of the installation, we will be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 45 minutes to an hour and a half, depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. Remove any underbody panel if present on the driver's side frame. On this vehicle, the panel was not present. On the passenger side, lower the exhaust by removing 2 bolts installed in the exhaust hanger bracket and remove the foremost rubber isolator. Use a spray lubricant or soapy water mixture and a pry bar to ease the removal process. Remove any brackets located above the exhaust. This vehicle was not equipped with any brackets. Continue by removing 2 fasteners holding up the heat shield. Remove the heat shield. Refer to your heat shield trim diagram supplied in your instructions. Mark and trim the heat shield accordingly. Repeat this process if you have a dual exhaust model. On the frame rails, remove any factory stickers covering the weld nut attachment points. Raise the hitch into position and loosely install the M8 hardware into the frame weld nut attachment points on both the driver and passenger sides. Use the hitch as a template and use a paint pen and mark the foremost attachment points on both the driver and passenger side plates. Once marked, remove the hitch. Punch and drill 1/2-inch holes in the frame at all the marked attachment points. Take notice and customize your heat shields with a 1/2-inch hole to accommodate the hitch's drilled out attachment point. Continue by grinding out the recently drilled out attachment points to accommodate the attachment hardware. Use the reverse fish wire technique to install the hardware into the frame. First, thread the carriage bolt into the coiled end of the included fish wire. Place the carriage bolt into the enlarged attachment point. Place a square hole spacer over the opposite end of the fish wire and place the spacer into the frame. Pull on the opposite end of the fish wire, pulling the carriage bolt through the spacer and down through the frame. Repeat this process on the opposite enlarged attachment point. Bend the tabs on the previously removed exhaust hanger bracket so the bracket can rest flat against the hitch's side plate. Refer to your supplied instruction sheet for a diagram. Reinstall the exhaust heat shield at the foremost attachment point. Raise the hitch back into position, threading the fish wires through the side plate attachment points. Install the remaining bolts and washers into the weld nuts. Remove the fish wires carefully and fasten with the supplied flange nuts. The exhaust brackets should be reinstalled using the attachment hardware. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheets. Reinstall any removed exhaust hanger rubber isolators. This completes the installation video of the CURT 12107 Class 2 trailer hitch on the 2013 Toyota Camry. Add style with the exclusive CURT Euro mount option and find the right custom vehicle trailer wiring harness for your Camry. Thank you for watching this video. Now you can bring it.